So after installing Windows using a Rufus bootable USB, if you open File Explorer, you'll notice something a little weird. Your USB is showing up as two separate partitions instead of one. This extra small partition was created by Rufus during the bootable USB process, and honestly, it's pretty useless now. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this and get your USB back to a single, clean partition without using any third-party software. Now the first thing you might try is right-clicking that extra partition and hitting Format. But as you can see, it's not letting us do that. We're getting a "the disk is write protected" error. So that's not going to work. Instead, what we're going to do is right-click the Start menu and open Disk Management. This built-in Windows tool is all we need. Once it opens, you'll see a list of disks. I have Disk 0 and Disk 1. Disk 1 is my USB. You can see it's the one with two partitions. What we're going to do is delete both of those partitions and turn them into unallocated space. So right-click on the first partition, select Delete Volume, and confirm. Do the same for the second one. And there we go. Both partitions are gone, and now we have one full unallocated space. Now right-click on that unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. A setup wizard will open. Just keep clicking Next until you reach the Format Partition section. Here, you'll see the file system is set to FAT32 by default. Change it to NTFS. It's a newer file system and works better with modern Windows systems. You can also give your USB a name in the volume label field, whatever you want to call it. Then click Next and hit Finish. So now if we go back to File Explorer, our USB is showing as a single partition, exactly what we wanted. But you'll notice you can't open it just yet. That's completely normal. It just needs one final format before it's ready to use. So click Format Disk when the prompt appears. The Format wizard will open. Again, make sure to select NTFS instead of FAT32. Give it a name if you want, or just leave it blank for the default. Then start the format. And that's it. Format is done, and your USB is now back to a single, clean partition, ready to use like normal. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It actually helps a lot. I'll see you in the next one.